In this recording in our series of creating a coordinate system, we will deal with the options of directions, where we have the X and Y directions, and we'll also deal with the modify origin. Now, starting from where I left off, I had created a coordinate system that was associative at the automatic top at this point. Let's take a look now at the top view. If we take a look at the top view, and if you remember what I said in the beginning of my last recording, the part itself was not sitting straight on our coordinate system, on our CAD coordinate system. So even though the part is rectangular, you can see that the box that was created around the part is according to the CAD system, not according to the CAM, because it has no idea about the direction. All it knows is direction XYZ at this point from the CAD. So how do we straighten this out? Very simple. Our next field over here is our direction, X, Y. And right now it's set as automatic. Automatic means that it will automatically align itself with the CAD system. However, if I highlight this area, that box, and now I pick a face for, let's say, my X direction, and I'll pick my X face that they wanted over towards that face over here, you'll note that it'll automatically have the X direction go exactly towards that face, having this box now exactly according to the actual part itself. And that's how it is automatically straighten it up. I would recommend that no matter what you do, after creating your Z, your first coordinate system at the very top or at the bottom, or no matter what, always pick an X or Y direction, even though it looks straight to you, because you may never know. There may be something you may be missing over there. So just to be sure, always have a good practice of picking your automatic X or Y direction. Next, we have our modify origin. Now, if we look at our modify origin section, we'll see we have pick origin, and that's the only one that has any field filled in it. Right now, the pick origin is for the X, Y, and Z, and you'll note that it states automatic. That means it's at the point that was automatically chosen from when we created our coordinate system. If I were to go to that field and pick any other point, say this point, it'll jump over to that field and it will not stay automatic anymore because it's something that I had put in. But this is still associative, and it'll say exactly what we're talking about over here. That point or any other point, even in a point on the part itself, it'll use that as the coordinate system, as the origin for the coordinate system. Going back and putting it here, it'll jump back to here. In our next recording, we're talking about picking the XY origin, our X level, Y level, and Z level.